Hi everyone, this is Angelina and welcome to today's demo video. So today we're diving into the exciting world of Subspace Navigation for Confluence app, and I'm really excited to show you how this app can revolutionize the way that you navigate and manage your content within Confluence. So without further ado, let's get started. To begin configuring your navigation menu with Subspace, you should first be a Confluence administrator. As an authorized user, you will see a configuration icon in the Subspace navigation bar and click on the icon to the right to edit the menu. The following dialog will be displayed. Now, as you can see, the live preview of our navigation bar is currently empty, providing us with a real-time glimpse of how it will appear before saving any changes. But don't worry, we'll fill it up really quickly. And let's begin with the primary section of the menu. First, we have the structure, which stands for configuring the main structure of our menu. Here you can populate the navigation bar with top-level items that will be displayed up here. You have the option to choose from 5 different types of items, and we will explore each of them individually. So let's start with the folder. Its function, I think you might have figured it out by yourself in the first place. Here you can store or group some of your elements for easy management. It can be any type of the 5 items that you're allowed to create here. And also I have to mention that the name, folder name, it is mandatory and you can name it as you want to. I'm calling it demo files. So let's go for the second option, which is Confluence Space. If you need quick access to crucial Confluence Space or want to emphasize its importance, simply locate it up here. I'm selecting Comunardo products. And feel free to give it an alternative name, but please be aware that alternative titles are always displayed regardless of permission. I'm naming it products only. And plus we have this cute little toggle button here to decide whether to display the space icon, as you can see here in the live preview. The next one is internal link, and basically you can choose a page or a blog post within your Confluence. I am choosing Comunardo Summer Party, because why not? Who doesn't want a party? Let's go with the fourth item, which is external link. You can link the navigation menu with any type of link here. It can be a website, a YouTube video, or anything that you want to. I will go with the official Comunardo website here. And you also have to give the link a title, which I am doing right now. Great, looks great. Last but not least, it's the fifth element in the row, which is CQL. For you who might be unfamiliar with the term, CQL stands for Confluence Query Language, and it is created in order to make your searching within Confluence more advanced and super easy. There are multiple of queries that you can use, which will show you different types of content. And if you're struggling getting started with CQL, you can read here the full documentation. There are several examples and queries up here that you can use, as you may see, or simply go to the guide, but I'm choosing this example here, which you can find the blog post created in since the start of the fortnight. And I'm adding a query here. Of course, I will give it a title because it is mandatory. And you can decide whether or not to specify a limit from 1 to 100 to the content that you want to show. Let's start with customizing the navigation bar. Here we have plenty of options to explore. So firstly, you can reorder the items within the menu by just simply dragging and dropping them like this. Additionally, you can create some new nested items by just clicking on the plus size. It can be any type of item that you want to. We've got deleting here, which is also a breeze, and you can even nest items with the existing ones, like doing it here. Sorry, like for this example, and we've got the sorting cover too. We can, with the ability to organize items alphabetically like this, to expand or to collapse the list for better organization. And if you're looking for something specific, there's a search feature to help you find it really quickly. Now let's jump into my favorite section, which is menu style. The starting point is the menu icon. Initially you choose whether to display the menu icon or not. Of course a default image is provided, but you have also the option to upload a personalized icon by yourself. Additionally, you can decide whether clicking on the icon redirects you to the space directory, another link, custom link, so maybe an external one, or disable this feature entirely. So here you can enter the custom URL to redirect to. And you can also decide if the link opens in a new tab with this toggle option here. So I think this part is really user friendly and gives the user a total power to customize its menu. So another feature that Subspace offers is the ability to customize the menu background color here. You have freedom to choose any color you prefer, although we have provided the default starting color. We offer a gradient which you can select different kinds of shades, and also you can input the hexadecimal code for a color that you wish to use. Right now I am just putting this up here like that, and as you can see we have a new different background color for the menu. So another topic that I wanted to highlight on is this small section here, suggest improvements, where you can share your feedback or wish for a feature as well by filling the Microsoft form. Please feel free to write anything that you want, because you're very welcome to do that. We are very open for making your experience with Subspace the best as possible, and why not taking that to the next level. If you have further questions, you can simply open the complete documentation by clicking here. And alright, that's all for the demo today. Thank you all for your time, and stay tuned for more videos. See you in the next one.